Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are dealing with new Redmi 5A. This is 2GB RAM and 16GB internal variant. Looking premium. It looks like a metallic frame back, but it's plastic coated. Coming to top, here is a 3.5mm jack with IR blaster, which supports Redmi remote app. And at left we see there is a dedicated micro SD slot along with dual 4G SIMs. This supports a memory card plus one SIM and this alone one SIM. And at the right side we have observing that dual volume rockers up and down, and it's the lock screen. The setup was complete. Let's on. The screen looks good. It's a HD display. Unfortunate thing is there is no fingerprint sensor. And this is a 5-inch display. Previously I said it was 2GB RAM and 16GB internal variant. Let's check out the settings. See, out of the box it's coming with the Android version 7.1.2, which is Nougat. You see here the navigation buttons are not backlit. Coming to the specifications, it runs on MIUI version 9, which is latest MI, and the quad-core MX 1.4 GHz clock speed. That's it about the phone. The MI call this as the Desh Ka smartphone, which comes at cheap price, but according to the MI and the persons buying this is the best budget smartphone below 6,000. Coming to the camera, it looks nice. When you see the rear camera, it is a 13 megapixel rear camera and it supports f2.0 aperture, and the front camera is f2 aperture, which is 5 megapixel. Yeah, it's quite nice. Some of the sample pictures are taken. Let's have a look. And this is the lovely red roses. And these are taken outdoor shots. These are indoor shots. As you see, this is the red Redmi 5 box. One selfie of me. Coming to the back, the options are here: the panorama, timer, audio, manual, straighten, beauty, as normal features which Redmi supports. And simply Google products, the Redmi tools. You see, yes, the IR blaster supports this Redmi remote itself. See here, the proximity sensor plus camera will be there at the top. Previously I said there are no backlit and navigation buttons. Here we comes with the LED light. It says that it's made in India, but it is assembled in India. See, you see the option split screen, which supports only for Nougat and some of the marshmallow phones. Finally, I am saying that it's a best smartphone which you can use with less money usage of paying to the mobile. Major options will be available in this smartphone, which is very nice from the Xiaomi. This the time to check the speaker. The speaker is located at the back side. Just I wear the new case of it. Just wait, I wanna remove it. And the speaker is located here. Let's check the speaker, how it is playing the sound. Initially there are no songs. Just let's try with some ringtones. Let's try with this. Yes, looks great. Doesn't sound very nice. When scrolling or operating the phone, the screen is very smooth. And let's check the tray with what it gives in MI 9. Yes, usually the normal tray options. Usually find an update too. When I bought this phone recently, I bought today, the delivery I got today. When we click on system updates, here you see an update is there. When I will update later, let's check some more options. Here the tools we get from the MI. Usually you know that. And this is the dial pad. Yes, this phone supports the VoLTE 4G dual 4G SIMs. Looks nice at every angle. It's not looking like a just 5000 phone. Looking like some more big valuable phone. That's all for today. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.